Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how you can add a customizable banner on your channel homepage and also how you can add a custom links on the banner. And I also wanted to show you how you can add a customizable subscription button on the video. So to do that we need to open our YouTube channel. So just click on your channel and then we need to open our YouTube studio. Okay, so click on YouTube studio. So in the YouTube studio, we just scroll down and we need to click on customization. So in customization, we need to click on second tab, branding. So the first one is a picture. Here you can change the picture for your channel, and for the banner image, just click on upload, and here you can choose uh, the banner image that you have already designed for your channel. You can choose the setting, you can choose the size once you're done, and then need to click on publish, and here you can see the design. So wait for publish, and then you need to go back to your channel, refresh the page, and here we can see the banner is already uploaded. So now we need to add a customization links. So we go back to YouTube studio, and before that on the same tab we can add a button for the subscription. So we just need to click on upload, choose a image or that you have already designed. Once you're done with the size, just click on done. Again, here you can choose the setting you wanna show, that the button for the whole video or the custom start or the entire video. So I just put the 5 seconds, hit on publish. Once it's done, go back to your channel page and you can play any video. So once the 5 second finish, on the right hand side you can show the button for the subscription. Here you can see. Okay, so done. So now we add the custom links on the banner. So we go back to your YouTube studio, and the third tab, which one is a basic info, and we scroll and then we click on add links. Here you can put the title for the link. So for me, I just put the name for my channel, and then in the URL I just copy and paste the URL for my channel homepage. So just copy and paste. So once you're done, hit publish, wait until it's finished, then we go back to the channel. Again we refresh the page, and on the right hand side on the banner we can see the custom link. If we need to put another link, we go back to YouTube studio. Here we can change the setting. If we want to put 2 links, 3, 4, up to 5 links, and then we need to click again on add link. Here we can type another title for the second link. For example, for Facebook I just type FB. Again we just copy and paste the URL for the Facebook. Once you done, just hit publish, wait, go back to your channel, refresh the page, and here on the right hand side you can see the custom link for the Facebook. That's all for today. Thank you.